Welcome to our video on potty training seats. Are you tired of constantly cleaning up accidents and dealing with messy diapers? Potty training can be a daunting task, but with the right tools, it can be a breeze. Our potty training seat is designed to make the transition from diapers to the toilet as smooth and easy as possible. It's the perfect size for little ones and is made with durable, easy-to-clean materials. So say goodbye to diapers and hello to independence with our potty training seat. Let's get started. The Skyroku 8838 potty training seat is a great option for parents looking to potty train their child. The seat is made of durable, easy-to-clean plastic and is designed to fit most standard toilets. One of the standout features of this seat is its non-slip design. The seat and the ring both have non-slip grips on the bottom to ensure that the seat stays securely in place while in use. This feature is particularly helpful for parents of wiggly toddlers who may be prone to slipping around on the seat. The seat is also designed with a built-in splash guard to help prevent any accidents from going over the sides of the toilet. This is a great feature for parents who are worried about their child making a mess while learning to use the toilet. Another great feature of this seat is its compact design. The seat is designed to be easy to store and transport, making it perfect for families on the go. This is especially helpful for parents who have multiple children, are in different stages of potty training, and need to have a seat for each child. Overall, the Skyroku 8838 potty training seat is a great option for parents who are looking for a durable, easy-to-use potty training seat that is designed to keep their child secure and prevent messes. The non-slip design, built-in splash guard, and compact design make this seat a great choice for families with multiple children in different stages of potty training. Thanks for watching our video on potty training seats. We hope that you have a better understanding of how our potty training seat can help make the transition to using the toilet a little easier for both you and your child. Remember, potty training takes patience and consistency, but with the right tools, it can be a successful and enjoyable experience. Don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or concerns. Thanks for choosing our product, and happy potty training.